In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 11A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. There are two ways to manage adaptive brightness on this Nubia. First of all, you can go into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and tap on this eye icon located on the left of your brightness slider. When you click on it and it turns blue, that means that auto brightness is on. To turn it off, click on the same one until it's gray. But you can also go into Settings, click on Display, and use this switcher next to Automatic Brightness right under Brightness slider to either turn it on or switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!